Hello, this is Dr. William Neal, dentist, periodontist in Wichita Falls, Texas. You know, when you're working and there's no face mask, and what you might consider is the old transparencies. I dug through my old office supply and I came across the transparency film for overhead projectors. I hadn't used that in years. But these acetate sheets might come in pretty handy. I tried to order a face shield off our dental supply, medical supply. They are back ordered and they don't know when they're going to get those in. So it's pretty simple. If you take also you need some Scotch tape, just like that. So you take maybe a 4-inch strip of Scotch tape and you tape it to the inside of the stem of your glasses. And just like that. And so then you put your glasses on, and then you take the acetate sheet and maybe have it like this. You put it across your face and attach it to the Scotch tape on the stem of your glasses. Then you can see how you get excellent side protection, and you get more protection here to here than if you're with just a face mask. So then you would maybe re-secure that Scotch tape to the acetate sheet, and you have this that there's no breathing, filtering with the face mask, but this would have a opportunity to capture the mouth droplets and sneeze droplets on your face mask, and maybe keep that also from somebody else's getting on your face like that. At the end of the day, you might just look to see which side has the most droplets captured on that, and this is reusable. You could just take the Scotch tape off, wash it under soapy water, and then you have you can use this for a long time, and it's pretty cheap. So hey, stay safe, be good, and hope to see you soon.